The automatic zigzag traverse speed and forward feed speed must match both the feed distance and the operating speed of the punch press. For example, if one cycle feeds 1 meter of material, the feeder must move much faster. If the feed pitch is only 10 millimeters, a much lower speed can still complete the movement in time. The required setting depends on feed length, feed frequency, and the press cycle. Begin with a real material trial to confirm that the feeder can keep pace. If it cannot, increase the speed value gradually. On this controller, the maximum displayed setting is 1500. There is no universal standard value, because the press model, stroke rate, and feed pitch vary from one production line to another. Use the trial run to make an initial judgment. For example, suppose both automatic traverse speed and feed speed are set to 500. If both movements finish comfortably before the next press stroke, the setting is faster than the process requires. You may then reduce the two values step by step, checking after every adjustment that the feeder still follows the punch press reliably. This does not mean the slowest possible speed is always best. The goal is the lowest practical setting that still maintains synchronization. Once both movements finish reliably within the press cycle, no further increase is needed. Use that stable matched value for production,